What if you could place a smart light switch anywhere in your house and unlock advanced multi-button lighting controls? What if I told you that this could be accomplished without tearing open your walls to install additional wiring? Well, I did exactly that. I installed the new Shelly Dimmer Gen4 behind my vanity bath light and then paired it with the Zooz ZEN34 wireless scene controller. The combination of these two devices creates a surprisingly powerful and flexible lighting setup that works wirelessly in both SmartThings and Homey Pro. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete setup of both devices. For the Shelly Dimmer, I'll cover the installation via Bluetooth onboarding in the Shelly app, followed by pairing in SmartThings via the Matter protocol. For the Zooz ZEN34 wireless scene controller, I'll provide edge driver resource information, and I'll show you how easy it is to pair in SmartThings. I'll then build some advanced multi-press lighting automations, and we'll test dimming performance, automation responsiveness, and some unique lighting control options which are possible when you combine these two devices. I first came up with this automation idea when we were remodeling our bedroom. We removed carpeting, repainted the walls, replaced our vanity countertop, added a new toilet, mirror, and vanity light fixture, and installed new laminate flooring. During the remodel, I ran into a problem. There was no existing wall switch for the vanity light. The only way to control it was by using a small rotary switch mounted directly on the fixture itself. But I wanted more than a simple on-off control. I wanted the additional abilities to control the vanity lights with voice commands, adjust the brightness levels, and ideally have a physical wall switch located on the top of the stairs where we enter the bedroom. Rather than tearing open my walls and running new wiring, my solution was to install the Shelly Dimmer Gen4 inside the light fixture to be controlled wirelessly using the Zooz ZEN34 scene controller that I mounted at the top of our stairs. Before I detail my setup, let me make clear that this is not a sponsored video. Although Shelly did send out the dimmer for testing, I am not receiving any compensation from them. Also, for the Zooz wireless controller, I purchased this device with my own funds. As always, what you are receiving here today is my genuine real-world experience. I've been using Shelly and Zooz products for several years now, and there's a reason why these devices continue to appear on my channel. Both companies consistently deliver well-built, reliable products that solve real smart home challenges. After working with these devices across multiple smart home setups, I can comfortably say that I highly recommend both brands. Let's start with what's inside the Shelly Dimmer Gen4. This little module is doing a lot more than it looks at first glance. It supports Matter, Zigbee, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, which gives you a lot of flexibility depending on how you want to integrate it into your smart home. For setup, I opted to use Bluetooth onboarding in the Shelly app to quickly connect it to my Wi-Fi network. I then brought the device into SmartThings via Matter. When installing the Shelly Dimmer, I used the neutral wire setup, which is the cleanest and most reliable installation method. Technically, the Shelly Dimmer can also work in some non-neutral installations with the proper bypass setup. But for this video, I'll be wiring it with the neutral connection. Here you can see the completed relay dimmer install. All that's left to do now is to tuck the wiring neatly behind the fixture, remount the fixture bar, and restore power for testing. One thing I really want to emphasize is how much easier Shelly onboarding is using Bluetooth pairing. In two of my recent Shelly videos, I demonstrated Shelly's traditional access point mode setup. This is a process where you manually connect your phone to a temporary Shelly Wi-Fi network before configuring the device into your home network. That method still works, but honestly, Bluetooth onboarding is dramatically easier. The Shelly app immediately discovered the dimmer over Bluetooth and then guided me through the steps to connect it to my local Wi-Fi network. There's no need to search for temporary IP addresses, no awkward access point setup screens. This is absolutely the method that I'd highly recommend moving forward. It's faster, cleaner, and much more beginner friendly. Once my Shelly Dimmer was connected to my local network, I then prompted discovery in my SmartThings app. The dimmer was immediately discovered and easily paired via Matter. Physically, the Shelly Dimmer Gen4 is a compact retrofit module designed to sit behind a wall switch. However, you can just as easily install it in a lighting fixture or any other tight space where you have wiring access. The device terminals are clearly labeled, and the module is small enough to fit in most standard electrical boxes. The ZEN34 remote switch is designed to look and feel like a traditional paddle switch, but it's completely wireless and magnetically mounts wherever you need it. No wiring required. That's what makes it such a standout device for me. It effectively lets you add a real-world switch exactly where the builder should have put it in the first place. Now let me show you the process for installing the ZEN34 scene controller. The Zooz ZEN34 pairs directly to SmartThings using Z-Wave. And the obvious advantage here is that none of this requires opening up walls or running new wiring. You can retrofit the smart dimmer almost anywhere you have an existing light. To initiate pairing mode on the device, open the remote by using the included triangular tool to access the battery compartment. Pull the battery isolation tabs to power the switch on. Next, tap the upper paddle 6 times to place the device into pairing mode. The LED indicator will blink blue during pairing and will turn green once pairing is successful. If it turns red, pairing failed and you'll need to repeat the process. To unlock the multi-tap scene control features of the Zooz ZEN34, you'll also want to install the correct custom edge driver. Without it, SmartThings will not expose all the available button actions. The good news is that Zooz provides solid edge driver support for SmartThings. And if you are an active subscriber to my edge driver package via my Bud Smart Home website, you already have access to the correct driver channel link and installation steps. If not, you can search for the custom edge driver on the Zooz website or on the SmartThings community forum. After the driver is installed on your SmartThings hub, open up your SmartThings app, tap Add Device and choose Scan Nearby, then select your SmartThings hub. When prompted, I recommend using the Secure Inclusion. From there, simply tap the Setup button and scan the QR code on the back of the switch. Once device discovery is complete, SmartThings will verify that the device has been successfully added. You can now take full advantage of up to 12 different automation scenes using the various button press combinations. Now let's test the Shelly and Zooz combo. One advantage here is that your physical wall switch still works normally for family members and guests. Press the paddle up and all lights turn on. Press the paddle down and all lights turn off. But with 10 additional multi-press options, you gain access to multiple lighting scenarios that go far beyond the basic on and off control. For example, our bedroom has 4 lamps that are controlled by 2 separate smart plugs. The 2 dresser lamps are controlled by 1 smart plug, while the nightstand lamps operate a second smart plug. To incorporate these lamps into various room lighting scenarios, I configured the Zooz remote for 6 different lighting scenes. For the traditional lighting scene, I assigned a single toggle up to turn all lighting on at 100%, while a single toggle down turns everything off. This makes the switch instinctive to any casual user. I then assigned a double toggle up to turn all of the lamps on while leaving the vanity lights off. A triple toggle up turns the vanity lights on while leaving the table lamps off. A double toggle down dims the vanity lights to 15%, and a triple toggle down dims the vanity lights to just 10%. These are exactly the kind of automations that make a smart home feel intentional and genuinely useful. As mentioned previously, the Zooz remote switch is mounted on my wall near the top of the stairs, but since the remote magnetically detaches from the wall plate, I have the option to remove it and place it on our nightstands. This gives us the ability for easy bedside control. The Shelly Dimmer is already an excellent smart dimmer by itself, but pairing it with the wireless scene controller like the Zooz ZEN34 takes the experience to another level. You get flexible lighting control, advanced automations, wireless scene activation with support for multiple smart home ecosystems while keeping your existing wall switches looking completely normal. This combination generally feels like a premium smart home upgrade. And speaking of premium upgrades, did you know that you can unlock additional perks by becoming a channel member? Depending on your membership level, the perks you receive can include early access to new videos, priority replies to your questions, and a member shout out. And a special shout out to my newest channel member at High Tech How To. I very much appreciate your support. If you found today's content helpful, please consider giving the video a like. This tells YouTube that this video should be offered to other viewers who have interest in smart home automation. Please also consider using the affiliate links below if you decide to purchase either of these devices. Doing so helps support the channel at no additional cost to you. And lastly, I invite you to watch either of the two videos you see on your screen. They feature additional Shelly and Zooz devices that can help take your smart home setup to the next level. See you over there.